Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming electrical and intake basics so the engine can respond. Once battery and grounds are solid, inspect the air filter and intake for leaks because airflow changes RPM. Next, set a stable idle and make the first mechanical change. Turn the idle screw in 1/4 turn steps while the engine is warm. Make sure to pause after each tweak and listen for response. Small increments prevent overcompensation and reveal the true effect of each change. Once the idle responds predictably, move into the detailed tuning. Clean the throttle body and confirm the butterfly moves freely because sticking reduces RPM gains. Then cautiously advance ignition timing by 2 degrees increments. You do this to improve cylinder pressure timing and raise RPM potential, but monitor for knock. If advancing timing leans the mixture, increase fuel delivery by roughly 5–10% to restore safe combustion. Make sure to retest after each set of changes so you can correlate cause. You finish by validating the improvements under load. Use a tachometer or dyno run to confirm sustained higher RPM and log AFR, coolant temp, and knock signals because transient gains can hide issues. Once done, fine-tune small fuel or timing offsets to smooth response. If you encounter persistent knock, surge, or overheating, immediately back out the last timing or fueling changes and reevaluate compression and octane. That rollback is the key troubleshooting step to prevent engine damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.